Exercise number 2. The accused number 1 and 2, regular civil case number 324 oblique 2011, prepared the instant appeal against the judgment dated 4 March 2013 delivered by the learned JMFC Dharwa, by which the present appellants and the accused number 2 Pankaj came to be convicted in offence punishable under section 341, 354 read with section 34 of Indian Penal Code, and the accused numbers 1 and 3 in bracket present appellants bracket close are sentenced of suffer 15 days SI with fine rupees 500 each, in default SI of 3 days, and also 6 months SI with fine rupees 1000 each, in default 1 month SI in offence punishable under section 354 of Indian Penal Code. Moreover, the accused number 2 Pankaj has been released on good behavior bond of rupees 2000 for 1 year under section 4 of the Probation of Offenders Act. The accused number 2 has not challenged the judgment order. For the sake of brevity, the appellants are hereby being referred as to the accused numbers 1 and 3. Accused number 1 Sachin and the accused number 2 Pankaj are the sons of the accused number 3 So Suman. The relevant facts which gave rise to initiate the proceeding runs as follows. The complainant Kalabai, aged about 45 years, is residing at Dharwa. The accused persons are also residing in same vicinity. Maruti is the father of the accused Sachin, Pankaj, and husbands of accused So Suman, who has suffering from illness since long and he was bedridden. The accused persons had a doubt on the complainant that the might have played witchcraft on 24 June 2011 in a night around 8 p.m. Kalabai was proceeded to her house. When she arrived near her house, the accused Sachin, Pankaj and Suman came there, restrained her on road and abused that she is a watch. The accused Sachin caught hold her neck from behind and turned her right sleeves of blouse. In order to escape herself, her bangles broken. She rushed to the police station promptly and lodged the report at Exhibit 39. The police took cognizance and registered offence punishable under sections 294, 341, 554 read with section 3(4) of Indian Penal Code, while crime number 137 in oblique 2011 leading to arrest the accused persons. Head Constable Balaji in bracket PW7 visited the spot, prepared the panchanamas, seized a blouse as well as bangle of the complainant, recorded the statements of witnesses, and lastly he filed charge sheeted before the learned trial court at Dharwa. The charge in aforesaid offence came to be recorded while Exhibit 27. Even their separate plea as recorded while Exhibit 28 to 30, but they observed the guilt and claimed to be tried. In order to establish the charge, the prosecution has examined in all 7 witnesses, that is complainant cum victim Kalabai in bracket 4, husband of the complainant Dasrath in bracket 5, and neighbor Puspa in bracket 3, punch witnesses Devrao and Manisha in bracket PW1 and 2 bracket close, and lastly investigating officer Balaji in bracket 7 bracket close. full stop. The defense is total denial, full stop. Even in statement under section 313 CRPC, the pendency of the instant appeal, they put up the written statement with application at Exhibit 26. Herein arrived the time of incident. P.W. Puspa and complainant Kalabai were on road, full stop. By seeing the accused Suman, they started to talk loudly and said Suman is enjoying sex with others as her husband is bedridden since long. Para. By taking into consideration the evidence came on record, the learned trial court concludes that the accused persons are guilty in offence punishable under section 341, 354 of Indian Penal Code, but not in offence punishable under section 294 of Indian Penal Code, full stop. Hence, the aforesaid sentence has been imposed, full stop. Being aggrieved by the said conviction, the accused numbers 1 and 3, full stop.